Lahat yan, sinabi nila, linatag nila. Kaya alam ko yung pinapasok ko.
Mapangahas din naming pinasok ang isang laboratorio ng Shabu sa Real Quezon.
Sa programa Investigador, samot-saring reklamo ang hindi tinantanan ni Mike Enriquez. Walang takot na hinarap, maging ang mga sangkot sa iligal na kalakaran.
Yan si Wilkins, yung Director General. Di ba si Wilkes? Amo siya ngayon sa PIDEA. Oh, Director General, si Pogi. Ito yung operation ng PIDEA. Nag-a-assign yun ng 2 agent na tabihan lang ako. Kaya kasi daw baka may biglang tumurok sa akin gano'n. Kahit saan ang katabi ko, mga
Maging buy-bust o drug raid, hindi inatrasan.
Buksan mo!
Ilan taon yung mga taga-tula? Ha? O ba 20 po? Hindi, yung taga-tula.
Yung mga batang runner mo.
mga drugs. Diyan sa Tagaytay, ang tawag Tagaytay. Kalye yun eh. Sa hangganan yun ng Quezon City at Caloocan, sa may sementeryo.
Nasagip naman ang ilang sinasabing mga batang drug runner.
Laking operasyon nun. May NBI, may PIDEA, may ano. Oo, ang kasaloob, pinasok namin.
O kahit uniformado pa, walang takas sa kanya.
Hindi maitatago ang tuwa ni PIDEA Region 10 Director Wilkins Villanueva kagabi na makatanggap ng isang Viber message hinggil sa kanyang bagong appointment bilang hepe ng Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency. Katunayan, agad din niya itong inanunsyo sa kanyang Facebook page. Nasa Cagayan de Oro pa ngayon si Villanueva na siyang nangunguna sa kampanya kontra droga ng PIDEA sa Northern Mindanao.
Pasalamat ako kay Presidente dahil nabigyan ako ng pagkakataon na mag-serve. I'm always saying I will never fail him.
Las Piñas City formally indicted Juanito Jose Remulla III on drug-related charges and recommended no bail for the son of Justice Secretary Boying Remulla.
So, since all the elements of those offenses happened in Pasay City, kita ng opisina namin that the office that has jurisdiction over those offenses is Pasay City. Yung fact na na-receive niya yung parcel here in Las Piñas City and that parcel contained large amounts of illegal drugs, yun yung kinarga namin sa kanya.
According to the inquest resolution, the parcel seized from Remulla arrived on October 4, 2022 and was labeled as hoodie sweater based on the customs examiner's affidavit. The package came from a certain Benjamin Huffman in San Diego, California. Juanito Remulla was named as a consignee of the package with an address in Las Piñas City. A subsequent inspection by the PIDEA and NAIA IADTG revealed dried marijuana leaves inside the package. It was then that the agencies decided to conduct a so-called controlled delivery of the illegal drugs to Remulla on October 11. According to former PIDEA agent and now anti-illegal drugs advocate Jonathan Morales, a controlled delivery is done to pinpoint and arrest the recipient of the illegal drugs.
Ang controlled delivery is to delay yung process. Kasi once na ito sinubject na dun sa confiscation, immediately after confiscation, i-turn over yan dun sa PIDEA Laboratory Service. Ang isang ahente magpapanggap na delivery boy para siya yung magpa-receive mismo dun sa recipient. Para magkaroon ng personal knowledge yung ahente dun sa recipient ng cargo. Importante dahil ikaw yung mag-i-effect ng arrest.
Morales notes the sensitive nature of such an operation means it needs to get the green light from the PIDEA chief itself to proceed.